Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello guys, this is the second part from the exercise 2.4. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. In this video, I am going to start from sum number 15. Find the range of the following function. So here fx equal to x square plus 2, x belongs to R. R means real number. Okay, so since here x square always greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, you know that. So that means if you add 2 both sides, so it will be x square plus 2 greater than equal to 2. That means 0 plus 2 is that equal to 2. So this is the function. So fx greater than equal to 2 for all x belongs to R. As here greater than equal to 2, that means starting number will be 2 and it will be a closed interval. Remember that, as here equal to, so there will be a closed interval up to infinity. Next, number 2, if fx equal to 3 minus 2x for all x belongs to R, okay, and x greater than equal to 2. So since as x greater than equal to 2, then we have to make this function. So first you have to multiply minus 2 in both sides. So it will be minus 2x less than equal to minus 2. ओके मैंने माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया है इसलिए ग्रेटर देन लेस देन हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, इफ यू हैव टू हियर add 3, so in the left hand side add 3 minus 2x, right hand side also minus 2 plus 3, that becomes 1. So fx equal to, that means less than equal to 1. So if fx less than equal to 1, so range will be, as here less than equal to, so here the upper value will be 1 and it's a closed interval up to infinity. That means minus infinity. Okay, minus infinity to 1. Next, 16. Find the domain and the range of the function fx equal to 2x square plus 1. Also find f minus 2 and the number which are associated with the numbers 51 in its range. So first here fx equal to 2x square plus 1. As you know that x square always greater than equal to 0. So 2x square greater than equal to 0 into 2. So it's 0. Then 1, that means 2x square plus 1 greater than equal to 1. Here we add 1 in both sides. So fx greater than equal to 1. So domain will be all real numbers and range will be greater than equal to. So lower limit will be 1 and in closed interval as here the equal to sign. So 1 to infinity. Next one, you have to find out the value of f minus 2. So it will be 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 1, that becomes 9. And third one, find which are associated. Find the numbers which are associated with the number 51 in its range. So 51 in its range means here the value of fx will be 51. Okay, so 2x square plus 1 equal to 51, then x square equal to 50 by 2, that means 25. So x equal to plus minus 5. Sum number 17, find the domain and the range of the following function. Here the first one, fx equal to root x plus 2. Okay, so as here fx must be a real number, that means root x plus 2 also a real number. So root x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Okay, because the square root of any real number always be in positive. Remember that the square root of any real number always positive. So root x plus 2 greater than equal to 0, and from that if you squaring both sides it will be x square greater than equal to minus 2, because after squaring it will be x plus 2 greater than equal to 0, so x greater than equal to minus 2. So here the domain will be minus 2 to infinity. Okay, in closed and open interval. Now next you have to find out the range. So first let f equal to fx, that equal to root x plus 2. Okay, since square root of the real number is always non-negative or positive, you know that, that means y greater than equal to 0. Clear? So if y equal to root x plus 2, then squaring both sides you will get y square equal to x plus 2. Then x equal to y square minus 2. Okay, and then so here y square minus 2 greater than equal to minus 2. Why? As you know x greater than equal to minus 2, and as here x equal to y square minus 2, that means y square minus 2 greater than equal to minus 2. So y square greater than equal to 0 for all y belongs to R. So range will be 0 to infinity. here equal to, that means here a closed interval. Next 17(2), fx equal to root 3 minus 2x. So root 3 minus 2x always greater than equal to 0. Then 3 minus 2x greater than equal to 0. 3 greater than equal to 2x. That means 3 by 2 greater than equal to x. So if 3 by 2 greater than equal to x, then x less than equal to 3 by 2. So that means here the domain will be minus infinity to 3 by 2 closed interval. For range, let y equal to fx root over 3 minus 2x. As you know, the square root of the real number is always non-negative. So y always greater than 0. After squaring both sides, y square equal to 3 minus 2x. So y square minus 3 equal to minus 2x, and from that you have to find out the value of x. Okay, from this equation always you have to find out the value of x. As you know, x less than equal to 3 by 2. So here also this one also less than equal to 3 by 2. Then from that minus y square by 2 less than equal to 0, because 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that becomes 0. So y square by 2 greater than equal to 0, multiplying minus both sides. So sign will be changed, and then y greater than equal to 0. So range will be 0 to infinity, here closed interval, here open interval. Next 17(3), fx equal to 1 by root x minus 5. अब यहाँ पर देखिए फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ है, इसका मतलब नीचे वाला पोर्शन कभी भी जीरो होना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर ये नीचे वाला पोर्शन जीरो हो गया तो ये इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा. सो रूट एक्स माइनस 5 ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0, नॉट इक्वल टू 0, रिमेंबर दैट. So here x minus 5 greater than 0 by squaring both sides. So x greater than 5. So domain will be 5 to infinity. Both are in open interval. Next, y equal to fx equal to 1 by root x minus 5. Again squaring both sides. Y square equal to 1 by x minus 5. और जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया था, आपको यहाँ से सिर्फ x का वैल्यू निकालना है. ओके, जैसे पहले y का वैल्यू दिया हुआ था, y का वैल्यू इसको चेंज करके x का वैल्यू निकालना है. सो हियर x इक्वल टू 1 बाई वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 5. ओके, अब यहाँ पर देखिए x ग्रेटर देन 5 था, इक्वल टू तो नहीं है, सॉरी. सो 1 बाई वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 5 ग्रेटर देन 5. सो 1 बाई वाई स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0, इसका मतलब y ग्रेटर देन 0. अगर y ग्रेटर देन 0 हो गया, सो रेंज हो गया 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. सम नंबर 18(1). Find the domain and range of the following function. So here fx equal to 4 minus x by x minus 4. Okay. So पहले डोमेन के लिए जब भी कोई फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ, फ्रैक्शन देखने के लिए आप पहले आपको देखना होगा डिनोमिनेटर नॉट इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता. अगर ए वाला पोर्शन 0 हो गया तो ए इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा. Okay, so that means here x minus 4 not equal to 0, that means x not equal to 4. Okay, so here domain हो जाएगा all real number except 4. It's very easy. Now next one for the range, y equal to fx, same format, 4 minus x by x minus 4. अब नीचे से माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे तो इसके बाद हो जाएगा -1. इसका मतलब y का वैल्यू सिर्फ -1 ही हो रहा है, एक ही इमेज यहाँ पर आ रहा है. सो रेंज इक्वल टू 1. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2, fx इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9 बाई एक्स माइनस 3. जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया था, नीचे वाला पोर्शन 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका मतलब x माइनस 3 नॉट इक्वल टू 0. सो x नॉट इक्वल टू 3. सो डोमेन हो गया ऑल रियल नंबर एक्सेप्ट 3. देन फॉर रेंज y इक्वल टू दिस वन. ओके, एंड एज यू नो द फॉर्मूला एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9, दैट बिकम्स x प्लस 3 and x minus 3. So x minus 3 will be cancelled out with the lower one, so it becomes x plus 3 only. So y equal to x plus 3, and from that x equal to y minus 3. Okay, but x belongs to real number minus 3. Okay, that means this one y minus 3 must be a real number. If x is a real number, then y minus 3 must be a real number. So y minus 3 not equal to 3. As x not equal to 3, then y minus 3 not equal to 3. So y not equal to 6. इसका मतलब y कभी भी 6, that means 6 कभी भी कोई इमेज नहीं आ सकता है. So here the range will be all real number except 6. Now the third one, fx equal to x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. इसका मतलब 2x plus 1 not equal to 0. So from that x not equal to minus half. So all real numbers minus half. देखिए 18, 1, 2, 3, हर एक क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न जो मैंने सॉल्व किया था, हर एक सोल्यूशन एकदम सेम टू सेम पैटर्न में सॉल्व किया हुआ है। सो मैं हमेशा बोलूँगा अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अगर आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हो, सो हर एक प्रॉब्लम को सेम पैटर्न में सॉल्व कीजिए, आपको याद रखना भी इजी होगा और सॉल्व करना भी इजी होगा। So the next one, for y equal to this one, as y equal to fx, so y equal to this one. Then multiplying this number y into 2x, 2xy, y into 1, y and x plus 1. Then you have to find out the value of x from here. Same pattern है. So x equal to 1 minus y by 2y minus 1. As you know that x not equal to minus half, so this one not equal to minus half. Okay. अब यहाँ पर देखिए फिर से हो गया y माइनस वाई नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस हाफ। अब यहाँ पर देखिए ए भी डिनोमिनेटर है, इसका मतलब 2y माइनस 1 ए भी जीरो नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि x रियल नंबर है, हमेशा याद रखना x इज अ रियल नंबर। अगर x रियल नंबर है इसका मतलब 2y माइनस 1 नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो, क्योंकि अगर नीचे वाला पोर्शन जीरो आ गया तो ये वाला पोर्शन इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा, तब x रियल नंबर नहीं रहेगा। सो दैट मीन्स y माइनस 1 नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो। क्लियर? सो y नॉट इक्वल टू हाफ। सो रेंज हो गया ऑल रियल नंबर्स बट नॉट इक्वल टू हाफ। क्लियर? सॉरी, दिस वन इक्वल टू हाफ, नॉट माइनस 1. Now 18.4. fx equal to here 4 plus x and 4 minus x. Clear? So 4 minus x not equal to 0, that means x not equal to 4. So domain will be real numbers except 4. It's very easy. नेक्स्ट वन ऑल्सो सेम, y इक्वल टू 4 प्लस एक्स बाई 4 माइनस एक्स। सो यहाँ से x का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 4 इंटू वाई माइनस 1 वाई प्लस 1। अब यहाँ पर भी y प्लस 1 नॉट इक्वल टू 0, कहीं भी 0 नहीं हो सकता है। सो दैट मीन्स y नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 1। सो रियल नंबर, सॉरी यहाँ पर रेंज हो गया रियल नंबर माइनस 1। क्लियर? इट्स एज सेम एज द प्रीवियस वन। नेक्स्ट 18.5. Here fx equal to 1 by 4 minus x square. That means 4 minus x square not equal to 0. So x not equal to plus minus 2. So domain हो गया real number minus minus 2 and plus 2. Now for the range y equal to 1 by 4 minus x square. So 4 minus x square equal to 1 by y. So x square equal to 4 minus 1 by y. Clear? But x greater than equal to 0, that means x square always greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to domain. So that means 4 minus 1 by y greater than equal to 0. So now here multiplying both side by a positive real number y square, because y square always be a positive real number, as xy always a real number, so y square always be a positive number. Okay, so that means y square multiply with this one and this one. So you will get here by LCM y and then 4y minus 1. So y cancel out with this one, it becomes y into 4y minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Clear? So that means from this equation y greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 1 by 4. Okay? So here the range will be minus infinity to 0 union 1 by 4 to infinity. Next, sum number 19. Find the domain and the range of the following function. First one, fx equal to root over 16 minus x square. So fx must be a real number, that means this one must be a real number. Okay, so now you know root over 16 minus x square always greater than equal to 0. Clear? As you know the square root of any real number always positive. So 16 minus x square greater than equal to 0, squaring both sides. And then 16 greater than equal to x square, x less than equal to plus minus 4. Okay, so as x less than equal to plus minus 4, so the domain will be minus 4 to 4 in closed interval. As here equal to, so in closed interval. Now for the range y equal to fx and that equal to root over 16 minus x square for all x belongs to domain. So y square equal to 16 minus x square by squaring both sides. Square root of any real number is positive, that means y always greater than 0. Sorry, greater than equal to 0. So here will be x square equal to 16 minus y square, but you know x square greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to domain of f, that means this one also greater than equal to 0, and from that y square less than equal to 16. Now if y square less than equal to 16, then y less than equal to plus minus 4. It's very clear. So that means here minus 4 less than equal to y less than equal to 4. Okay, but as you said that y greater than equal to 0, so the range will be only the positive one, that means 0 to 4. Okay, negative यहाँ पर neglect हो जाएगा. So range equal to 0 to 4 in closed interval, as here equal to 19(2). Fx equal to root over x square minus 9. So x square minus 9 greater than equal to 0. X square greater than equal to 9. That means mod x greater than equal to 3. So if mod x greater than equal to 3, then x greater than equal to 3 or x less than equal to minus 3. Clear? So the domain will be minus infinity to 3 union 3 to infinity. Okay, both in closed interval, as here equal to sign. Let y equal to fx equal root over x square minus 1. Then the same line you have to write down. So y greater than equal to 0. Now squaring both side, y square equal to x square minus 9. So x square equal to y square plus 9. And since x square greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to domain f, so y square plus 9 greater than equal to 0. So here y square greater than equal to minus 9. But for all y belongs to r, बट y ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ था. सो यहाँ पर भी नेगेटिव कैंसिल हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. ओके, सो हियर रेंज इक्वल टू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. नेक्स्ट 19(3). एफ एक्स इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट ओवर 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. अब यहाँ पर फ्रैक्शन आ गया. जब भी फ्रैक्शन आ जाएगा इसका मतलब नीचे वाला पोर्शन 0 नहीं होगा. क्लियर? सो 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0. ओके, दैट मीन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. So x square greater than equal to 4 and that means mod x greater than equal to plus minus 2. ओके, अब यहाँ पर देखिए ये वाला पोर्शन तो 0 नहीं होगा. सो इसका मतलब यहाँ पर इक्वल टू नहीं रहेगा. तो आप पहले से भी यहाँ पर इक्वल टू हटा सकते हैं. 4 माइनस स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0. सो एक्स स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 4, दैट मीन्स मॉड एक्स ग्रेटर देन प्लस माइनस 2. सो हियर माइनस 2 लेस देन एक्स लेस देन 2, दैट मीन्स ये पर डोमेन हो गया माइनस 2 2, क्योंकि इक्वल टू नहीं है. सो ऑल इन ओपन इंटरवल. Now the next one, let y equal to fx equal to 1 by root over 4 minus x square. So y not equal to 0. अब यहाँ पर भी 0 नहीं होगा. So since square root of any real number always positive, so y greater than equal to 0. So y square equal to 1 by 4 minus x square and from that 4 minus 1 by y square equal to x square. अब यहाँ से देखिए x square का वैल्यू निकल गया. Since x square greater than equal to 0, as you know, so that means 4 minus 1 by y square greater than equal to 0. So that means 4y square minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So y square greater than equal to 1 by 4. Okay, इसका मतलब हो गया mod y greater than equal to plus minus half. So y greater than equal to half or y less than equal to half. But as you know y greater than 0 equal to तो नहीं हो सकता है. So y greater than 0, so it will be only y greater than equal to half. So range equal to half to infinity in closed interval, as here equal to. Next, sum number 20. Find the domain and range of the following function. Okay, so fx equal to mod x minus 3. So mod x minus 3 must be a real number for all x belongs to R. So यहाँ पर domain हो गया real number. Let y equal to fx mod x minus 3 for all x belongs to R. Since mod x always greater than equal to 0, you know that for all x belongs to R, that means mod x minus 3 also greater than equal to 0. So that means y also greater than equal to 0 as y equal to mod x minus 3. So range हो गया 0 to infinity. Number 2, fx equal to 3 minus mod x minus 2. So fx must be a real number, that means this one must be a real number. So domain हो गया real number. Let y equal to fx, that means 3 minus mod x minus 2. As you know, mod x greater than equal to 0. So mod x minus 2 always greater than equal to 0. अब यहाँ पर देखिए माइनस लाना है. सो माइनस मॉड x माइनस 2 लेस देन इक्वल टू 0, ग्रेटर देन लेस देन हो गया. मैंने माइनस से दो साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो नाउ 3 ऐड करना है. 3 माइनस मॉड x माइनस 2 लेस देन इक्वल टू 3. सो दैट मीन्स y लेस देन इक्वल टू 3. सो यहाँ से रेंज आ गया माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 3 closed interval. Next, sum number 21. If a real function f is defined by fx equal to mod x minus x by 2x, then find its domain and range. So that means here 2x, दैट मीन्स हियर 2x नॉट इक्वल टू 0, सो फ्रॉम दैट x नॉट इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि अगेन नीचे वाला पोर्शन 0 नहीं आएगा, अगर 0 आएगा तो इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा. सो डोमेन विल बी ऑल रियल नंबर एक्सेप्ट 0. नेक्स्ट y इक्वल टू fx, दैट मीन्स मॉड x माइनस x टू x. नाउ मॉड x का मतलब क्या होता है? मॉड x मीन्स x पॉजिटिव x व्हेन x ग्रेटर देन 0 and negative x when x less than 0. Clear? So that means here if mod x equal to x, then it will be x minus x by 2x, that becomes 0. And if mod x equal to minus x, then it will be minus 2x, so minus 1. Okay, so इसका मतलब y का वैल्यू एक बार 0 आ गया, y का वैल्यू एक बार minus 1 आ गया. So range will be 0 and minus 1. Next, sum number 22. fx equal to mod x minus 4 by x minus 4. So fx must be a real number, so this one must be a real number. So that means x minus 4 not equal to 0, so x not equal to 4. So domain हो गया real number minus 4. Next, let y equal to fx, so this one, as you know, mod x minus 4 equal to x minus 4 when x minus 4 greater than 0. And second one, a mod x minus 4 less than x minus 4 when x minus 4 less than 0. So for the first one, y equal to 1, and for the second one, y equal to minus 1. So that means range equal to 1 and minus 1. Sum number 23. If f and g are two real functions defined by fx equal to 2x plus 1, gx equal to 4x minus 1, then for what real number x fx equal to gx? It's a very easy. So that means these two functions will be equal. So from that x equal to 4. And for the second one, fx less than gx, that means this one less than this one. So it will be 1 plus 7 less than equal to 4x minus 2x. So 8 less than 2x. So 4 less than x, that means x greater than 4. Now sum number 24. This is the last sum for this video and as well as for this exercise. So if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. So here in sum number 24, find the domain for which the function fx equal to 3x square minus 1 and gx equal to 3 plus x, this one plus x, are equal. अब यहाँ पर equal बोल दिया है, इसका मतलब 4x fx equal to gx. So fx हो गया 3x square minus 1 that equal to 3 plus x. So 3x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. So यहाँ पे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हो गया. अब इसको मिडिल टर्म में सॉल्व करना है. So x plus 1 and 3x minus 4 are the two factors. Okay. So from that x equal to minus 1 and second one x equal to 4 by 3. Okay. So that means here the value of x equal to minus 1 and 4 by 3.